Yo, what's up guys? How are you? I hope you all are well and having a sexy day. Welcome back to another video of GG. So today I'm going to teach you how to run Game Guardian in any game. And the links of all the apps mentioned in video are available on our Telegram channel. Telegram channel link pinned in comment section. So let's start the video without wasting time. So first you have to download this file. If you don't know how to download from my link, then I will give its how to download tutorial on Telegram. So first click on File and Extract File. Click Extract here. Password in video, so watch video carefully for password. Password in video,
Now
so watch
install
video
this
carefully
app.
for password. Now open AJ Virtual. Allow all the permission and follow my step. Delete this useless apps. Click on plus icon at your game as you want to hack with Game Guardian. Add your game and at AJGG Game Guardian. Allow all the permission like me or follow my step. As you can see here, we got GG logo. Now open the game. Click GG logo. Select your game process. And follow my steps. Find script where has been downloaded or your game script. You can see we have run script successfully. If you enjoyed the video, then subscribe my channel. And my editing apps are not working perfectly. I don't know why, what's wrong, so forgive us. If you want script for any game, you can tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, join our Telegram channel.